Hello once again, everybody. It is now 1:03 and 24 seconds on September 6th, and this is the main drawing for the Spider-Man 17 second Green Goblin. Over here are the 15 filled spots. Tony, the last, your mini win got you spots 14, 9, 5, and 2. Okay? So there are the 15 filled spots. Let's quickly roll our 3 dice. The number is 10. I'm going to randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I'm going to try to ship it today if I have time. If not, worst case scenario, it will ship out tomorrow, Friday the 7th. So good luck, everybody, and away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the final one, 10, spot 12, John Garner. Congratulations. John won the first Green Goblin, Spider-Man 14, maybe about 2 weeks ago from me, and now he has the second Green Goblin from me, so congratulations. Time is 1:04 and 32